Hello students, I am back with another lesson of multiplication, that is word problems. Today we are going to solve the word problems related to multiplication. Our first word problem says, Animesh can solve 6 sums in 1 hour. How many sums will he be able to solve in 17 hours? So first we can see what is given. He can solve 6 sums in how much time? In 1 hour. Now what you have to find is how many sums will he be able to sums, and time is 17 hours. That means it is given that in 1 hour he can solve 6 sums, and you have to find how many sums can he solve in 17 hours. So our first statement will be number of sums solved in 1 hour, that is equal to how many? 6. Then you have total time given to you is 17 hours. So your total time is, that is 17 hours. Now what you have to find? Therefore, total number of sums solved. How will you find that? If you multiply the total time by the number of sums solved in 1 hour, you will get the answer. So that will be 17 multiplied by 6. Now you have to find 17 multiplied by 6. 6 sevens are 42. 2 here, 4 carry. 6 ones are 6 plus 4 is 10. So you have 102 here. And this 102 is the number of sums. Your answer will be that you have to find from the question. How many sums will he be able to solve in 17 hours? So your answer statement will be, he will be able to solve 102 sums in 17 hours. So you are given the number of sums which he could do in 1 hour. Now you have to find the number of sums he will be able to do in 17 hours. For that you have to multiply the number of sums by the total time given. You will get the answer, that is the number of sums he will be able to solve in 17 hours, which is 102 here. Our second word problem is, in one packet there are 143 sweets. How many sweets are there in 38 packets? So what is given here? You are given the number of sweets in one packet. How many sweets in one packet? 143 sweets. Now what is the total number of packets given to you? That is 38 packets. And you have to find the total number of sweets in 38 packets. So our first statement will be, number of sweets in one packet. How many sweets are there in one packet? 143. What are the total number of packets here? Total number of packets. These are 38. Now what we have to find here is number of sweets in 38 packets. Therefore, total number of sweets. How will you find? When you multiply number of sweets in one packet by the total number of packets, you will get the number of sweets in 38 packets. Here you will multiply 143 by 38. Now this is the multiplication of 3-digit by 2-digit numbers. You will do the calculation. 143 multiplied by 38. First we multiply by the number in the ones place, that is 8 here. 8 3s are 24. 2 here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 is 34. 4 here and 3 carry here. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Now before starting to multiply by the second digit, that is in the tens place, we will put a cross here and then start multiplying. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry here, 3 ones are 3 and 1 4. Now we will add these two. 4 here, 9, 4 plus 9 is 13, 3 here, 1 carry here, 1 and 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 4 is 5. So 5434 is the total number of sweets in 38 packets. 5434, and these are the number of sweets we have in 38 packets. So our answer will be number of sweets in 38 packets. So there are 5434 sweets in 38 packets. So here we can see when we are given the value of 1 and we have to find the value of many, we multiply. So we find the product when we are given, that is here like number of sweets in one packet we are given, that is the value of one packet here, that is number is 143. Now you have to find the value of many, that is you have to find the number of sweets in how many packets? 38 packets. So for finding that we have to multiply and find our answer. We multiplied the number of sweets in one packet by the total number of packets. We got the answer 5434. That is the number of sweets. Now can you solve this word problem? Which says the cost of one sheep is rupees 1175. How much will a farmer spend if he wants to buy 7 sheep? So the value of one sheep is given, that is rupees 1175 rupees. Now you have to find the cost of 7 sheep, that is the value of one is given to you and you have to find the value of many, that is 7 sheep here. You will write here? Cost of one sheep. What is the cost of one sheep? That is rupees 1175 rupees here. Now you have, what is the total number of sheep? You have to find the cost of total number of sheep. 7. So you will write 7 here. Now you have to find the total cost. Therefore, total cost will be what? The cost of one sheep, that is rupees 1175 multiplied by the total number of sheep here. Now we are going to do the calculation. 1175 multiplied by 7. 7 fives are 35, 3 here and 5 here, 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 3 will be 52. 2 here, 5 carry here, 7 ones are 7 plus 5 is 12. 7 ones are 7 plus 1 is 8. So what is the cost of 7 sheep? You have rupees 8,225. Your answer will be, how much will a farmer spend if he wants to buy 7 sheep? Your answer will be, a farmer will spend how many rupees? That is rupees 8,225 if he wants to buy how many sheep? 7 sheep. Isn't it simple to solve the word problem related to multiplication? You are given the value of 1 and you have to find the value of many. Now I have 2 word problems which you have to do on your own. I'll explain them to you. The first word problem is, the cost of one book is rupees 43. What will be the cost of 395 such books? You are given the cost of one book, that is rupees 43. Total number of books is 395 and you have to find the cost of 395 books. How will you find? By multiplying the number of book by the cost of one book. You will get your answer. Then the second word problem is, in one day we have 24 hours. How many hours are there in 365 days? Number of hours in one day is given to you, that is 24 hours, and you have to find the number of hours in 365 days. That is the value of 1 is given to you and you have to find the value of many. Number of hours in one day is given and you have to find the number of hours in 365 days. That is all. Do it on your own and find out that whether you have understood the topic or not.